Oh, that bad boy right there?
Yeah.
4609, contact.
There it is.
Runway 3703. There's a helicopter off your, about a half mile off the approach end at 1,800.
It is the new paint. All right.
Inside runway 3703.
Yeah, it's like everybody's clearing the way.
So that guy should be here in about maybe 5 minutes or so.
Yeah, that's a turnaround.
Still has nothing on the app.
Wheeling down the runway, we don't even know it.
Oh, there's Korean Airlines. Oh, I see it. Yeah, you can tell by the shiny roof on it. Look at this.
Yeah, look at that.
Look at that. It's not exactly clear as day, but.
My goodness. Oop.
All right.
5665, cross runway 15 left on November.
15 left.
It's one of the reasons I'm here today. I want to see this plane. I've heard a lot about this new livery on it.
Cross runway 15 left on
I just
November.
want to make sure that
15 left on November.
the rumors are correct. We won't be able to see it too long. When we see it land, it'll land in front of us. It'll disappear to the left, heading off to the international terminal, so we won't see it again until it leaves. Whenever it leaves, but I think we'll be gone before that leaves. Or our significant others may tell us otherwise. I'm just keeping it on the Korean airline. Let's see if this thing guy is coming in.
Oh, yeah, I've been eyeing this bad boy since Niagara.
Hope the hype is worth the reward here.
Oh, I know.
There's 091 Heavy Boston Tower.
Hope it's not a.
Left, clear to land.
No.
Koreanair 091 helicopter traffic over the terminal at 1,700. We'll have you in sight and maintain visual separation.
I'm still surprised there's no, on the app we're using, there's no information on this Korean airline. I just knew what's coming because it comes every single day. All right, it's getting a little closer. It's just going over the Indian Tasket.
On Bravo, short of November.
Past the Tasket, actually.
We need 22 left for departure. At the 499 Boston Tower, traffic 3.5 mile final on November. Cross runway 15 right, hold short, runway 15 left. Cross 15 right on November, hold short, 15 left, Delta 499.
So I hope this is really worth the hype.
Wait.
I don't see any of the planes lining up yet for 2-2. Wait for this guy to land first, probably. Actually, I haven't seen any planes on the radar, actually.
No, there's nothing. This guy really commands the skies.
Yeah. All right. Getting closer. Looks pretty good from here. Bird flying by.
499, cross runway 15 left on November, hold short, runway 22 right. Cross 15 left at November, hold short 22 right, Delta 499.
Koreanair from Seoul, Korea. I think it's a 15-hour flight.
We're 4 Romeo Alpha. We'll be departing runway 22 right in just a minute, so remain on the west side, the tower side of runway 22 right.
We have touchdown. There's a shiny blue top there. I like that.
That is nice.
All right, that's the last we're going to see of it. If it ever stops.
Yeah, right.